Hey, let's see. Yep, looks like my audio is working. I hope. All right. Let's see. Test, test, test. Yeah, it looks right. Just ask the chat real quick if they can hear me. All right. Thank you guys for joining me today. Excellent. Thank you, George, for affirming you can hear me. So today I'm just kind of an impromptu thing. I just decided the other day I'd do a quick update on Twitch. I'm going to try to do these more often, especially since I started paying for this streaming software. Might as well use it, right? Um, so yeah, so let's start off. We're adding, for those of you that don't know, we're adding encrypted messaging, like kind of like a DM slash text message feature right now to Verge Core. And then after we're done beta testing it, we will be adding it into our mobile apps as well on iOS and Android, and probably the Verge Slim desktop app as well. There's no reason not to. So I'm going to give you guys a little tour of that real quick and what it looks like. And while I'm pulling this up, thank you to the people who have been beta testing and testing it out with us and stuff. I really appreciate that. It's definitely something that we need. Where is it? Let's see. Okay, here. What do I do there? Hope everybody's having a good week so far. Oh, I'm broadcasting to YouTube too right now. I didn't even know that. Okay. All right. Here we go. So here you see. Oops. Let's save this real quick. Okay. Let me move this over for you. Make it a little bit smaller too. Okay. Hopefully everybody can see this. So I'm going to just show you right now. I've been beta testing with other people in our Discord chat. We have a little private beta tester chat channel where we have exchanged chat keys. This is a new type of secure messaging based on an old principle. Secure messaging that Shadowcoin developed back in 2019. Kind of just basically revamped it, made it a little bit stronger, added HKDF keys, splitting keys. So now it's kind of more of like a it's a stronger security protocol. Basically, we took a lot of improvements and suggestions actually from chat. And we've just been kind of beta testing it, and it's working. So I figured I'd give everybody a nice little showcase and let you know how it's working so far. So this is going to be my other computer in the office that you can't see in this picture, but I'm obviously on a computer right now, and I have this wallet in front of me. So I'll say cool, and give it a send. See, cool, and now I'm going to walk over here to my other computer. Cool, and I'll say yes, very cool. Secure messaging is awesome. All right, so you get the idea. And now we see it up here, back in this computer. So we have a very fast, near instant messaging system built. The framework is in, the infrastructure is all built out, and it works great. I've been adding like DDoS protection, spam protection, stuff like that. Really analyzing how the handshakes work to make sure that we have a lot of control over this thing. Not all nodes on the network. I mean, we have a really, really large network that already runs on Tor, right? From people that are just running their Verge QT wallets to pools, blockchain explorers, servers, all sorts. We just have tons of nodes all around the world using Tor. So I figured, why not take advantage of that and send a instant message relay system through that network. And like I said, not all infrastructure will be relaying these messages for security purposes. We'll probably leave main nodes. We'll ask services like exchanges, pools. Our Electrum servers will probably leave those from relaying messages, just for extra DDoS protection and stuff. But the infrastructure's here and it's built and it's working great. And I've been testing with the beta people, and let's test. Got it. Boom. This was another check. It works. Yep, just saw this. So yeah, it's doing really great. We're it's testing away. And I'm really excited to bring this to the phone because, everybody uses their regular text message, right? But not everybody uses secure text on their phone. So now all Verge users by default will have, a private chat program, built into their wallet, which I think is really cool. The other fun part that I'm also adding is chat keys. So essentially, you will be able to open a payload QR code from iOS and Android. I've already built it into Verge Core, where you can scan each other's phone QR, and it'll automatically add their chat key as well. So you'll get their address to send to, and you'll have their chat key. So when you scan someone's mobile phone on Verge, you automatically have a new friend to talk to and send to. You guys can automatically send Verge or send messages. It's awesome stuff. I'm really, really excited about it. I've been really busy today, so you'll have to excuse my lack of enthusiasm. I've been up since 7 o'clock, just going full throttle. Um, but yeah, I think it's really exciting. It's a really cool feature. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you everybody who joined the iOS beta test group. I'm waiting on Apple now to approve the beta test. And then everybody who sent their emails will be notified. You guys are all on my Apple list. I think there's like 12, 13 people altogether, which is already a large beta group. I probably should have kept it smaller, but I know a lot of people have been really excited about it, waiting for it. So, I got a pretty large group. I'll probably make another beta group on the Telegram. Right now we have one in the Discord, and it's private unless you're a beta tester role. I'll probably make another beta test chat on the Telegram channel, but I guess it'll probably get flooded, hopefully, with people that aren't beta testing. Hopefully people that aren't beta testing just can watch but not talk, because the beta testers really need to communicate, and it's important that we don't get stuff lost. But yeah, so that's going really well. The Android app, obviously you guys already know, is out there. I'm going to be implementing that also, this chat into that soon once this is smoothed out a little bit. I'm basically just trying to make this process as easy as possible, right? So I'll show you guys how it starts. So basically what you do is you go to a new conversation. You're going to pick your address from, this is the address I've been using, and I labeled it Me Chat. Oh, wait, you guys can't see this window. Let me get this window up. Sorry about that. I'm just looking at my stream, and I'm like, oh, this window's not visible. Let me get that one up for you. Let's see. I'll call it New Chat. Let's see, window capture. Chat window. Okay, and then this, and this. Send messages. Boom, there we go. All right, now you guys can see. Yeah, sorry about that. I forget sometimes, but that you have to open up additional pop-ups. So here we see an additional. This is in a chat from. This is what it looks like when you're making a new message to somebody right now in this form on Verge QT. Where is that window? Okay. So now we see here, send to. I'm going to pick, this is the other computer that I've been using, and this is the chat key, so it automatically fills it out. So this is basically what we're going to be sending each other. You're going to give a person a new you're going to go into your address tab, and you're going to make a new address, and then you're going to click Enable Chat, and it's going to pop up a little chat key for your address that's derived from it, which is this XNFD1 for me. It's a public key. It's safe to share. This isn't a private key. The private key is not stored, visible. It's not something that you're going to accidentally give away to people. So it's very exciting stuff. Then you type your message here. Right now we have a character limit of 512 characters, which I think is pretty reasonable. It's like, basically like a big tweet. I mean, you can write a pretty good-sized paragraph for 512, characters. I haven't added emojis yet, but I think I'm probably going to. But right now, yeah, I mean, basically the last couple of weeks was really just about making the framework of this work and get it functioning. And right now, all of us beta testers have been successfully sending each other messages, and it's working great. So I just kind of wanted to update people on that and, flex a little bit. It's going really well, and, Verge Chat's coming, very soon, very soon. It'll be in Core first, and then it'll be in iOS, Android, Verge Slim. Yeah, free messaging, free secure messaging. Very low risk to our network. It's not going to take down the network if something goes wrong. No infrastructure will be handling this. It'll be mostly just users relaying for each other. So it's decentralized. So it's actually decentralized, secure, encrypted chat. Very exciting stuff. I wanted to showcase that a little bit. Yeah, I don't really have much else to talk about. I'll see in the chat if anybody's got any questions. Any questions anyone have? XVG Tokens is going really well. As you guys know, I don't know if you guys have been following the site or not. Let's see if I can pull it up. I'll pull up this. All right. Let's see what else has been going on.